This is the best Macau-style Portuguese chicken you'll find. Delicious sauce, topped with coconut flakes, then baked to perfection. Let's get started. Let's start by marinating the chicken. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of white pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. Give it a mix. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix well and it's good to go. Now let's prep the ingredients. Cut the carrots. Cut the potatoes. And cut the onions. Now we can blanch the carrots and potatoes. Add cold water, cover, then turn on high heat to boil. After it's been boiling for 10 minutes, take out the potatoes. My carrots were cut a bit larger than the potatoes. An additional 2 to 3 minutes and it will be ready. Now we can add some oil to pan fry the chicken. When it's about 80% cooked, set it aside. Add 1 teaspoon of butter to saute the onions. Cook until fragrant, then add 1 tablespoon of flour. This will help thicken the sauce. Then add 3/4 of a cup of chicken stock. Now add a 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of evaporated milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a touch of salt. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. Now we can add the carrots, potatoes, and chicken. Bring to a boil, simmer for 5 minutes, and it's ready. You can cook the sauce long before eating, then heat it up before serving. That way, it'll be even more flavorful. For me, I like fried rice on the bottom. Add 2 eggs, add some refrigerated rice, a little chicken bouillon, and some salt. After adding the sauce, sprinkle some coconut shreds. Then, bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.